When it comes to seafood, cod often swims under the radar compared to trendier options like salmon or tuna. Yet, this mild-flavored, flaky white fish is a nutritional powerhouse with a host of scientifically backed health benefits. From boosting heart health to supporting mental well-being, cod's nutrient profile makes it a worthy addition to any diet. Let's explore why this humble fish deserves a spot on your plate. A treasure trove of nutrients, cod is low in calories, but rich in high-quality protein, making it ideal for muscle repair and satiety. A 3-ounce serving provides about 20 grams of protein, nearly 40% of the daily recommended intake. But the real magic lies in its vitamins and minerals. Cod is an excellent source of vitamin B12, selenium, phosphorus, and niacin B3. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, though less than fatty fish, and, when consumed as cod liver oil, delivers hefty doses of vitamins A and D. Heart health hero: cod's omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, are celebrated for their cardiovascular benefits. Studies show these fats reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and combat inflammation, slashing the risk of heart disease. The American Heart Association recommends eating fish like cod twice weekly to support heart health. Additionally, cod's selenium content acts as an antioxidant, protecting against oxidative stress linked to arterial damage. Brain booster: the brain thrives on omega-3s, which comprise 60% of its structure. Regular cod consumption may enhance cognitive function and reduce dementia risk. Research in Nutrients 2020 highlights omega-3's role in improving memory and slowing cognitive decline. Cod's B vitamins also play a part. B12 and B6 help regulate homocysteine levels, high levels of which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Joint and inflammation support: cod liver oil, a traditional remedy for joint pain, is backed by science. A study in Rheumatology International found that its omega-3s and vitamin D significantly reduced rheumatoid arthritis symptoms, easing stiffness and pain. Even the fish itself offers anti-inflammatory benefits, making it a smart choice for those with chronic inflammation. Weight management wonder: high protein, low calorie foods like cod promote satiety, helping curb overeating. A 2015 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition noted that protein-rich diets enhance metabolism and reduce hunger, aiding weight loss. Cod's lean profile makes it a guilt-free staple for health-conscious eaters. Immune system ally: cod's selenium content, nearly 40% of the daily value per serving, strengthens immunity by supporting antioxidant enzymes that neutralize free radicals. Pair this with vitamin D abundant in cod liver oil, which modulates immune responses, and you have a formidable defense against infections. Bone builder: phosphorus in cod teams up with calcium to fortify bones, while vitamin D enhances calcium absorption. This duo is crucial for preventing osteoporosis, especially in older adults. A review in Osteoporosis International underscores vitamin D's role in maintaining bone density. Mood enhancer: omega-3s aren't just for the heart and brain, they're linked to mental health. Studies suggest these fats alleviate depression and anxiety by regulating neurotransmitters. Cod's omega-3 content, though modest, contributes to this effect, offering a dietary approach to mood management. Conclusion: dive into cod's benefits. Cod's versatility in the kitchen, whether baked, grilled, or poached, makes it an easy, delicious way to reap its health rewards. Supported by a wealth of scientific evidence, this underappreciated fish offers a compelling mix of nutrients that promote overall wellness. So next time you're at the market, let cod take center stage. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Incorporate cod into your meals twice weekly to harness its full potential. And consider consulting a healthcare provider before adding cod liver oil supplements to avoid excessive vitamin A intake. Here's to your health, one flavorful bite at a time.